Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 26. One of the major features of a fascist government is that. One of the major features of a fascist government is that. So, when we talk of fascist means it, it is synonymous with totalitarianism. So option A says political power is decentralized. B say it gives room for opposition party. C said the state defines the right of individuals. D, sovereignty is identified with landed property. Now, when we talk of fascist, which is totalitarian, it means that the state has absolute power or right over the citizens. So that's what option C is talking about. So option C is the correct option. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.